Hey guys, what's going on? It's me here from my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made my first $100 online. So if you guys are interested in making money online, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, so that you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. Yes, this is the video that you guys have been waiting for. This is a beginner-friendly method, so don't worry about anything, because I'll be explaining everything step by step on how you can earn money too. And yes, I believe any one of you can do this and earn money online, especially now because everyone is at home during this time. In order for me to find customers, I had to stand out amongst the rest. So after thinking for a while, I came up with the title, Boost Your Rank in Call of Duty Warzone. After I created this gig, I made sure that I uploaded a great thumbnail and a great video description that will help persuade customers to purchase my gig. And that is when I came up with the idea of offering a custom package that includes 3 carried matches for $25. When I got my first sale, I was over the moon because this is the moment that I've been waiting for. I would also ask them to leave a review on my Fiverr page so that I could get more sales. And this is when I realized that I could actually turn this hobby into a business. That's when I started raising my prices slowly because I knew that I was providing a great service. Now I have raised my prices a few times, and currently I am charging $75 for 3 carries. So this means that if I get 4 orders in a week, I will make around $300, because I was only making around $25 per order, and it wasn't worth it for me. But now that I'm making around $75 per order, it's definitely worth it for me. Plus, sometimes I also get some really high-ticket items which can boost my income even more. And let me tell you guys, this feeling is so much better than any feeling that you get in the game. If you guys have a skill that you can share with others and you believe that you can help them improve, then you guys can do this. You guys can offer your editing skills, your logo design skills, your music production skills, and even your cooking skills. You name it, there are people out there that are willing to pay for it. If you guys think this is a scam, then let me tell you that I have been doing this for over a year now and I have never had any problems. The only problem you might face is the language barrier. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. If you guys have any questions, then feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer as many questions as possible. But if you guys are serious about doing this, then you can actually apply for a work visa. Just imagine if I quit after my first week of not making any sales. I wouldn't be where I am today. This is the same advice that I always give to you guys, and this is something that you have to remember. The reason why I did this is because I knew that if I was able to provide an excellent service to these customers. But let me take you through the whole process of how I delivered my gig. So when I received an order, I would send the customer a message asking them what their username was and what their current rank was. Then once I had all the information I needed, I would hop onto my PlayStation and log into their account. They would leave a great review on my page, and this would help me increase my sales in the future. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel where I teach you the latest making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. So yes, today I will share with you guys how I earned my first $100 online. So before we start this video, let me ask you a question. What is something that you are good at or you have learned before but you don't really know how to use it to actually make money? Also, I made sure that I was nice to these customers and that I gave them some tips on how to rank up faster, because I didn't want them to keep ordering my service again and again. I wanted them to eventually rank up and become independent. Let me know in the comment section down below. After thinking for a while, I decided to offer my gaming skill to gamers who wanted to rank up faster in Call of Duty Warzone. Because even though there were a lot of players playing Call of Duty Warzone, I noticed that most of them were still struggling to rank up. So I thought that I could help them carry their account and rank them up faster so that they could get the rewards that they deserved for playing the game. For me, before I found out how to make money online, I was really good at playing video games and being a gamer. In fact, I was so good at playing video games that I could defeat my friends easily, and they would always complain and say that I was a pro. At the same time, I've also realized that some of my friends were also making money playing video games and streaming their gameplay on Twitch and getting paid. But since I didn't know how to do it myself, I just simply dismissed it and continued doing what I was doing. Then one day, while searching for side hustles online, I came across Fiverr, and that's when I thought to myself, you know what? Why not try to offer my services to other people? And this is when I decided to open up my very first account. If you don't know what carrying someone in Call of Duty Warzone means, basically I would play a match with them and carry them to victory. So the next thing I needed to do is come up with a great title that would help me rank well in the search results on Fiverr. After doing all that, I waited for my first customer, and luckily enough, after a few days, I got my first sale. So yes, this is how I got my first customer. When I played on their account, I made sure that I recorded the gameplay so that I could upload it to my YouTube channel as proof that I completed the order. As soon as I finished the 3 games, I would then send them a message telling them that their order was complete, and I would also provide them with the videos as proof. This process took me around 4 hours in total, because sometimes I had to wait for the PlayStation Network to let me back in. After a few months, I had built up quite a clientele, and this is when I started making around $500 a week on Fiverr alone. Now let's talk about the actual money. So when I first started out, I was only charging $25 for 3 carries. So the reason why I decided to share this with you guys is because I know that you guys are struggling and you need this right now. The reason why I didn't apply for a work visa when I first started out and that's why I wanted to share this with you guys, because I know that you guys are looking for ways to make money online. So here's the thing. If you guys are really serious about doing this, then you guys should be consistent. So yes, if you guys are consistent and you keep providing great services to your customers, then you will get more sales and eventually you will be able to make money online. So this is why I said that you can also do this. So here's a list of some other things that you guys can do. So I hope this video has inspired you guys to go out there and start earning money. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video.